Thank you for watching iTRAK Corporation's tutorial videos. Today we're going to be covering logging into iTRAK Fleet Executive and map features and navigation. For other tutorial videos, check out our YouTube channel at www.youtube.com/user/iTRAK Corporation. Okay, in order to log into the software, open up your web browser and head over to our website address at iTRAK.com. And click on the iTRAK Fleet Executive link. Log in with your fleet name, username, and password. And that logs you into iTRAK Fleet Executive, our mapping software. Okay, if the view of the map when you first log in is not what you desire, you can save the view, any view, when you first log in. So all you would need to do is just get the area that you want to see when you first log in and come up to File and Save Current View. Now this will be the view that you will see when you first log into the software. If you've used Google Maps online before, our software uses the Google Map platform and our software is built around that. So the features of Google Maps will be similar to you if you've used that online. So in order to drag and pan the map, you would left click on the map and drag that map around wherever you'd like. To zoom in and out, you have your zoom bar right here. If you drag the button here towards the plus sign, you zoom in. If you drag that towards the minus sign, you zoom out. There is a handy feature that I like to use, is a double-click zoom. Wherever you double-click on the map, the software will zoom in on that double-click. So that may be a little quicker and a little easier instead of going up to the slider bar there. You can also store views as well. In order to do so, you get the view on the map that you want to store. Maybe that would be around the city of Schaumburg. And you just need to come up to Views, Stored Views, and add your view name. Click Add View, and your view name will be stored in the drop-down list. So if we were to move this view to another area, come back up to Views, Stored Views, and your drop-down menu is right here. We click our newly stored view, and there it is. What we also have here in a feature is a map view, which is what you see right here, and then we also have a satellite view. If you click on satellite up here at the top right corner, you get a bird's eye view of your area. And again, I'm double clicking the zoom feature here. If there was an area to where you wanted to get a street level view, we also have that option available to you as well. You just come up here to this little man and left click and drag him off his area. Any street that gets highlighted in blue, you can drop him down into. And you can get a 360-degree street level view. In order to get out of that view, you just come up here to the X in the top right corner and you're back to your bird's eye view. We also have a find feature for addresses and latitude and longitude. In order to do so, you just click in the field here for address and you type in your address here. We'll put in iTRAK Corporation's address for an example, which is 800 Research Drive in Woodland Park, Colorado. Zip code 80863. Now you can either, if you have the full address, you can put the full address in there. You can put the street address and just the city and state, or you can put the street address and just the zip code. Any way will work. You click Find, and it'll bring you to that address. If we zoom in, turn on the satellite imagery, and drop our man for a 360-degree view, we can get a view of iTRAK Corporation. And iTRAK is located right here. What we also have here is if you needed to refresh the map, you can come up here to View and Refresh, and we get a map. Refresh the map. What's also a good feature is you can find an address of an area on the map. So if we needed to find out what this address was of the Woodland Park Fitness Center here, all we need to do is hold down Control-R and click on that area of the map. And it'll display the address right here in the Find field. It's a handy feature. Again, Control-R and click wherever you click on the map will display that address. We also have a directions feature. In order to get directions, you would come up here to Find, click Get Directions, and you have your field right here, From and To. This is just that you can put in a full address here. You can just put a city and state, or you can just put a zip code. When you click Get Directions, it provides those directions right here. You can print those out as well. And in order to clear these directions, come back under Find and Clear Directions. We also have traffic and weather features here in our software. If we zoom out to an area and we'll find Denver, Colorado here, and come up here under Tools and turn on Traffic. It shows the flow of traffic in your area. Green is steady flow, good flowing traffic. Yellow is slowing traffic. The red is stop and go traffic. And then there's also a red and black hashed traffic. It doesn't look like there's any in the map here, but if you see that, that would be stop and go, pretty much a stopped traffic, very heavy traffic. In order to turn that off, you come up here to Tools and uncheck Traffic, and then that goes away. For weather in your area, if we zoom out here and get a view of the United States here, you come up here to Tools and turn Weather on, and that gives you real-time Doppler radar weather. And that concludes this tutorial video of logging into IFE and the map features and navigation. For other tutorial videos, check out our YouTube channel at www.youtube.com/user/iTRAK Corporation.